Hey guys, thanks for stopping by again. Today we're going to be getting some stuff done in the house. I just have to clean the living room and the kids have some chores to do in the kitchen. James is going to be working on a few projects that he's finishing up today and just getting this living situation back together here and in order. This is our main living area. We have like an open concept right here. So if one room is a mess, pretty much all of them are a mess. I already actually cleared the dining room table and cleaned that, and then I decided to start filming and just make this a quick video of how basically our evening went. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you're new, consider subscribing here. I have playlists down below if you want to check out more content of mine, and like this video if you do enjoy it. So if you guys haven't noticed, the holidays are just creeping up on us so fast, and I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do here for decorating for Christmas. I don't know if I want to do it before Thanksgiving or after. I'm not sure. So comment down below and tell me what you guys think I should do. Should I decorate before or after Thanksgiving? What do you guys want to see? I love having the tree up and stuff, so it doesn't bother me either way, but let me know your guys' opinion.
Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out there for a minute.
So in order to show you guys like how I've been washing the dog stuff, I just been using the Awesome spray that I have right here. I got this from Meyer. It's like a huge bottle of it, but they do sell a little bit smaller bottle of this at Dollar Tree for $1, and this stuff works so good. It has no acid, no ammonia, no bleach, and it's non-inflammable supposedly, and it gets out so much stuff. So I'm about to spray it on here. I don't even really let it sit when I'm washing this. I just spray it right on there. I just use a lot, and I just throw it right into the wash. And that's how I've been washing all the dog stuff, as well as with the laundry sanitizer right here. And when it comes to his bedding, it's probably getting washed 2-3 times a week right now if he has an accident or gets excited, but it's always in the plan to just wash it once a week to make sure that it's fresh. Also because puppy dander and dog dander will tend to bother me, so I want to make sure I'm keeping up on keeping all that clean so we can keep our puppy. Okay, so since we're right here and I'm washing the dog stuff, I figured I would just show you guys Connor's dog beds. He has, James found this one at Five Below, and it was $5. And this one fits inside of this really big crate. Really good, actually. Let me see. I'm probably going to be cleaning this crate out too in like a couple of weeks. But it fits in there pretty good for one for $5. But he also has this one that fits, but we've been having this one in our room, and this one was $20. So I really like this one, and it's completely washable. I throw it right in the wash all the time and straight into the dryer. I believe it was like 20 bucks, so I'll link this in my Amazon frequently asked items section if you guys want to look at it.
Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. You play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute.
And to not be dumb, boys and girls, don't tip your mop bucket backwards. I tipped it the wrong way because I was going to explain to you guys what was in the water, and then I spilled it. So in my mop water right now, I just have a few squirts of Dawn Blue dish soap. I'm talking like maybe 3 or 4 little drops, mix in with hot water, and then I also sprayed like 10 squirts of my bleach solution spray that I've been using to disinfect the house in the water. With my vinyl flooring, I have to be careful using too harsh of products on it because it will dull the shine. However, you know, I do want to make sure that I'm keeping the floor sanitary with the puppy, especially because if he's making accidents, and you know, it just kind of creeps me out still. So I've been mopping the floors like a mad woman, definitely. So this has helped me a lot. Now, typically I am not a fan of like room sprays or airsoft cans for reasons about like the environment and for costs, but because I love this boosting scent beads laundry thing so much, I wanted to try making a DIY room spray, and I did. And you just add however many scent beads you want into a bottle, like a tablespoonful with like some boiling water or microwaved hot water, and mix all that up until it's melted, and you can use that to spray. I've been spraying it on the curtains and the dog stuff, but it does smell good. I don't think it's worth the money to use the scent beads because they're so expensive, but I just wanted to try it, so it's definitely an option if you want to give it a go. Really? Are you gonna do something? What are you doing?
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi, but I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down.
to my channel, then I just wanted to let you know what I'm using here to clean my sink. I use Barkeeper's Friend. I do have the powdered version and the liquid version, but when it comes to the sink and the bathtub, the powdered version definitely gives the most kick because it gives a little bit of grit while you're working with it. And what I'm using here to scrub my sink is a Scotch Brite steel wool brush. So it's not like one of those really harsh steels, but it won't scratch as much, but it does scrub. And just look at how the dirt just comes off the bottom and like all the stains and stuff from getting left in there. And this is a pretty old and scratched sink, so I think it does a really good job at cleaning it up. So definitely try some Barkeeper's Friend. Also helps with like rust, water spots, and like hair dye, stains, all different kind of stuff. So just give it a try. It's a great thing to have in your arsenal.
I love you when I'm here. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know we got this.
So during this day, James actually built this arm wrestling table. I think it took like 2 days or whatever, but the kids were down here playing with this before we ate dinner. And while I was cleaning, James was finishing up this. And then he also took one of the TVs out of the basement that we had, and he finally put up the girls' TV in their bedroom with the wall mount. And this is how that looked. I think we're going to get a shelf to go under here, but we have the Roku sitting here for now, which I think I'm going to allow them to use Philo TV in their room. And then I just have my little, what is this? These little command strips, you know, I just cut one in half that I had here, and I'm just going to use that to put on there and put it up there. So that way nothing gets tugged on and it doesn't show. I'm just going to put it on there behind the wall. And now I'm about to go and start some dinner. So Savannah got new spacers put back in, so she's having a really hard time eating right now, so she's just trying to eat noodles. And then Jordan also didn't really want to eat anything, so she's gonna have some macaroni. Me and James are trying to eat healthier. We're trying to do our best to eat at home and just eat more fruits and vegetables. So I'm just gonna be making us some baked potatoes today, and we're just gonna be having some salads. That big old bag of salad that we got from GFS has lasted us like all week. We've been both eating it pretty much every day, so it was definitely a good buy on the salad. It was so funny because James tried to make a baked potato for Connor the other day and he just didn't know how to do it. He's been trying to cook a lot more. It was just so funny how he did it, but because he did that, I figured I would show how I make baked potatoes here. Now, if you want to do it the lazy way, or you only need one or two, or you don't like to cook, this is how I do mine in the microwave. You just cut a slit in it. Once they're wet, put it in a bowl, fill it up halfway with water, cover it with a plate, and then I put it in the microwave for about 5 minutes. Depending on your microwave, you might have to do like 5 to 8 minutes, but this will definitely get you through. And then they'll be soft and ready to go, just like this. And I'm also putting some Kerrygold butter on mine. It's really hard to film with one hand, so that's why I was fumbling with it. But I just added butter to mine. It might kind of seem like a lot of fat here, but you have to realize that I'm not eating any meat with this meal, so you kind of have to do like some carbs and fat if you're not eating a lot of meat, or you're going to be hungry. So it just looked so good. It had been a while since I had a baked potato, honestly. I also have these real baking bits, these crumbles that I had from the last shopping haul, so I sprinkled those on top with sour cream. And this is what we had for dinner. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, coming along with me and getting some stuff done. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll be seeing you guys later this week. Bye.